Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, depending on when you're starting your math. This is Mrs. Thompson, and I am going to do some of these videos for you while we are doing our distance learning. Know right now that we miss you bunches, and we hope that you are staying healthy and productive and working hard while we are on this extended spring break, kind of. First of all, I want to give you a little math joke for you. So, what do you call dudes who love math? This is one of those corny jokes that I love. Ready for it? You call them algebros. Mwahahaha. Anyways, I hope that made you smile just a little bit, but let's get to what we're going to be looking at. We are going to be reviewing how to multiply by 2-digit numbers. So 4-digit by 2 digits and 3-digit by 2 digits. So we're going to start with just a little anchor chart. If you want to put this in your math journal, you can. If you want to create it at home, you can. If you just want to watch, you can also do that. Some of you know how to do this really well, and some of you it's going to be a good review. So here we go. We're going to start with the number 328 times 14. Okay, so step 1, we're going to multiply the top number by the ones digit. So we're going to start with our 4. So 4 times 8 gives us 32. Put your 2 in the ones place and carry your 3. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 more is 9, 10, 11. Put your 1 in the tens place and carry your 1 to the hundreds place. And 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 more gives us 13. So we have 1,312 for our first answer, the first part of the problem. Now that we have this step done, we're going to go to step 2. We need to put our placeholder 0. 0, the hero, remember? So we still have this problem going on. 328 times 14. We found out that it was 1,312. Now it says to put our placeholder 0. I'm going to get my red marker and put my placeholder. That is the only step that I'm doing right there. Now I'm going to move down to step 3. I need to multiply the top number by the tens digit now. So I'm going to rewrite this problem. Okay, add my 0 placeholder. And now we're going to multiply by the tens digit. I've already used these guys, so I'm just going to cross them out so I don't get confused. We do 1 times 8, which is 8. 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 3 is 3. So we get 3,280. Now, my last step is that I'm going to add these two numbers together. Since I multiplied by the ones place already, that's this answer. And I multiplied by the tens place, that's this answer. Now I'm just going to add these two numbers together. So we're going to rewrite the problem. Remember that you do not have to rewrite the problem every time that you solve one. I'm just doing this because it is our notes. Gives you a chance to get out those fancy pens and markers that some of you have that you can use and be creative as you do your math. Alright, so now I'm going to add these together. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 8 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So your answer is 4,592. Ta-da! Happy math. Alright, so we're going to practice another one by ourselves or yourselves. So you can pause the video if you want, kind of like when I freeze the work at school. I freeze the problem on the board. You can freeze your video at your computer. So let me get our problem written down. Alright, let me move this out of the way. My famous dry erase boards. Hopefully I got a marker that works. We're going to start with, let's do 3,148 times 12. So 3,148 times 12. I'm going to start with my ones place. I do 2 times 8 and I get 16. Carry my 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so I've done my ones place. Now I'm going to move on to my tens place and multiply by my tens place. I put my 0 as my placeholder, and now I multiply by my tens place. 1 times 8 gives me 8. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 3 is 3. And I'm going to add these together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. A glare, infamous glare. 9 plus 8 is 17, carry my 1. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7, and I bring down my 3, put my comma in, and your answer is 37,776. Okay, so your assignment today is going to be working on multiplying by 2-digit numbers, whether it's a 4-digit number by 2 or a 3-digit number by 2. At the end of the week, you're going to have like a little quiz over everything we've done, so make sure that you are practicing this every day. I hope that you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you later.